How to verify your business manager in Facebook. If you want more tutorials like this, click the subscribe button and that bell icon on if you will be stay updated if there are uploads in this channel. So first we are going to go to our business settings and scroll down and go to business info. Once it's business info, you can see here the business verification and mine is unverified. Just click on the details there, and in here at the bottom you will see that mine is ineligible for verification. But if you are, then you would see something like this, verification, and you would probably going to click on start verification. And if you have click start, you will see this info and just fill it up and you are good to go for verification.